Hello friends, welcome to my skills, my future, a career mentoring platform. Right? I know that you know the MSMF concept very well, right? So now we are going to launch the complete program or complete course of Internet of Things. So the course is designed in such a manner. In first phase we will basically focus on the fundamentals, because fundamentals are very important to learn any kind of programming. So these fundamentals not only improve your skills, but it will also help you to understand the underlying hardware architecture, right? So because this is very important, what your hardware is telling to you. Okay, if you don't take care of hardware, then programming will be little difficult for you. Okay, so in second phase we have a lot of sensors concept, and then how you can interface your sensors with your various types of boards, and then how you can send the data to cloud with configuring your desired cloud. And then you will learn about how you can control your appliances, and you can monitor your appliances of desired object, right? So this is a very interesting course, and we have designed in such a manner like that it is only 10 to 15% theory part, and remaining is full of hands-on only. We have included some case studies in this course. Basically the motive of including the case studies, it will help you to understand what is the importance of Internet of Things in a real-time scenario, why the people are talking about Internet of Things implementation in our daily life, right? So you will understand that concept, and after learning and studying the case studies, so you will get proper insight about how you can apply your learning skills in real life projects. Okay, this project is not talking about some small projects. I'm talking about some real time projects, right, where you can see the real data and you can show to the world that you have done that project, right? So many cases, if I take an example, you can apply this Internet of Things in water resource industry. You can with the help of Internet of Things, you can supply water, you can monitor the water, you can monitor the leakage of the pipelines, you can control the supply of water as well. Okay, you can basically reducing the wastage of water, you are, and then you are monitor the quality of water, right? As I think these days you have heard about the some questions has been raised on RO systems, like, okay, so RO is basically filtering out all your minerals that are required to human body. Okay, so we don't know about that. So because minerals is not there, human some deficiency will definitely come, but not in short term, but long term it will affect. Okay, so you can monitor your water, what kind of water is being supplied to you. It have a sufficient minerals in a water you are drinking. Okay, if it is not there, then what kind of food supplement, not I am talking medicines, but I am telling that food supplement, what kind of food you can take to overcome that deficiency in water, like, okay. So this is small case I'm telling you. Similarly, you can apply this concept in a solar energy system. Nowadays we are talking about the free resources, like solar is a free source of energy. So most of the time that we have seen that people are installing the solar panels, but they are not getting the required efficiency from that solar panel, and they are again they're switching back to their conventional method, electricity or generator, other things. So what the deficiency is there, and you can identify that deficiency with the help of Internet of Things, and you can give some solution to the farmer, and you can also encourage and motivate them use the solar panels, so that we can save energy and it will reduce the cost uh, for them also. Okay, so like many in healthcare also you can apply. Okay, so this number of case studies we are going to give you, that is done by very experts in a industries, so you can learn that, study that, and you can get complete understanding how and where you can apply your skills which you will learn from this course. Okay, and another thing I would like to tell you, motive is fundamentals, because sometimes people like that, we are why we fundamentals, we know the fundamentals. But actually, when we say we know the fundamentals, actually we don't know the fundamentals, right? So I have proved you there, during this course, some points, maybe one or two out of 10, one may know that, but 90% they say they don't know about that, right? But what is the purpose of we are stressing on fundamental? Because our objective, MSMF objective is to make your foundation like that you can adopt any language and learn any language quickly. It's not like that this language is separate and you will learn some particular language X, and then you are moving to the any another language, programming language Y, and then again you are learning all the basic fundamentals. So our motive is that don't learn the fundamentals, only learn the syntax. So once the fundamental or an underlying architecture behavior, how to understand that, if you know that, believe me, guys, it is only a cup of coffee for you. You can learn any kind of programming language in the world. It is a game of syntax only. The syntax will change, nothing will change. Okay, so that's our main motive of MSMF, and I hope that you people will join this course and you will get benefited from this course of Internet of Things, right? So with this, again, a small announcement for you guys. Please use your chat box and interact with us. Contact our team members. They will help you out at every point and every step. Okay, so you can contact me directly, or they can divert your things to me, and I will also interact with you. Any problem, anytime, any query, you are welcome to contact us. Okay, so with this, I will start my today's session. So that is on, as you can see, there is a operators. Okay, Arduino programming has some operators. Today we are going to learn what is that operator and what is the purpose of that. Okay, so now, so I move to the first concept. There is a first operator, that is equal to. Okay, I think during the program in previous classes we have seen this double equal to sign. So that is basically telling us equal. Okay, value x is equal to value y. So that is a purpose to check. Okay, so basically what is happening, if you are writing like some variable x and some variable y, so what it will do, it will compare the value of x with y, whether both are equal or not. So basically they will check the equal. Okay, so value or variable on right of the operator. Okay, so it will just compare left and right variables and return when two operands are equal, and then return what is the return value. If both are equal, it will say true. If both are not equal, then it will say false. Okay, so this is a value. And then syntax, you know it very well, very simple syntax, same. So parameters, there are only two parameters, x and y, both are variables. So x can be variable or constant. What are the data types? Because we have learned, so what kind of data types it supports? It support integer, it support float, double, byte, short, long. Okay, all these data types it basically supports, because this is used for comparing the numeric data, right? So same, both have same type of data types. I think no need to stress more on it. You are now aware of what kind of data types is supported in an Arduino programming language, right? Now there is a small program. I have taken declare two variables. First, my variable is x. and this is of integer data type. Then I have taken another variable y, that is also of integer data type. I have assigned the same value 5 and 5 to x and y, and I am checking there. If both are equal, then it should print numbers are equal. If this condition is satisfied, if satisfied, then then it will print numbers are equal. Otherwise, it will print numbers are not equal. Right? Very simple program. So now I will execute this program later. First of all, we'll do some more operators. Then there is another operator, that is, I think you know this symbol. Okay, this symbol, I think you know this symbol. And then equal to, exclamatory mark, and equal to. This value will compare whether the both values are not equal. It will check the condition value x and value y for not equal. Okay, is it right? So this is a syntax that I mentioned here. If x is equal to y, and it fails if x is not equal to y. Okay, so now what type of data type it supports? It supports integer data type, it supports float data type, it supports double data type, it supports byte data type, it supports short data type, long data type, right? So same for both x and y. So what is that? Not equal to. X and y are not equal to. Previous one was equal to. They are comparing the two data and finding out whether they are equal or not. But this operator is checking for not equal to. Okay, now we see some example here. So this is an example. So what we have done here, I have taken same variables x and y, and both are integer type, and I have assigned same value 5 and 5. Then what I condition applied, if both are not equal, if x, exclamatory sign, what is the condition here? X equal to y. So in my terms 5 5. What is that? Both are equal. Okay, x is equal to y. So condition is that if both are not equal, then we have to print number are not equal. But in this case, both are equal. X is 5, y is also 5. So it should print numbers are equal, right? This is another program, very simple program. Now I will move to another operator. My another operator is this symbol. We call it less than equal to. What we call it? Less than equal to. So suppose I have one variable here x, and another variable is here y. What it will check? Either my variable x is equal or less than y. Okay, variable x is either equal to y or x is less than y. So which two condition is going to check? It is going to check x is less than y or x is equal to y. So these two conditions are clubbed together. Okay, these two conditions are clubbed together in this operator, so it will check. Okay, so it's the same, syntax is same. Now, okay, parameters, we have only two parameter x and y variables. So what are the data types? I think you know the same data types is available for all. Okay, so I am not stressing more on it. I am considering that you are well aware with data types now. Okay, now we go for the program. Okay, so now this is a program for less than equal to, right? Now here, what I do here, okay, my x is a variable data type is integer. Both are, I have taken same variable 5 5. Now I am checking the condition here. First I will write here for your clarity y, and then I am writing the values here. Okay, then I will write the values here less than equal to. Okay, so which condition is true? Whether my x value is less than y or equal to y. So two conditions in a same operator, one operator. So here the values are equal. Here values are equal. So if this condition satisfied, out of two only one condition should be satisfied, so then numbers are equal. It will print it like numbers are equal. We will do some changes, then also we'll do. If condition is fails, if this condition get fails, then it will print numbers are not equal, right? I hope that you have understand. If still you have any doubt, we will clear while we simulate the program. And even though I have some doubts, I have some queries or questions in your mind, so please use your chat box to ask your questions, right? Okay, so now we move ahead. So now we have another symbol. What is that symbol? Symbol is this. What is the meaning of that? Value of x is greater than or less than, greater than or equal to. So here I have write like this. Okay, why? So it has two conditions. What is that conditions? Value of x is greater than y, or value of x is equal to y. Okay, right? What are the two conditions? Value of x is either greater than y, or value of x is equal to y. This is the operator. This condition it will be checked. These two condition, any one has to be true. So syntax, I think you know that. Now variables, you can see here all variables we are repeatedly, I am telling you, these are the data types we are using for the variables for this operator. Okay, so now I will come to the program here. So now what I do here, I have taken same value 5 operator, conditional operator, then y. I am checking the if condition here for this. Okay, same for every program I am doing the same if condition. So value of x, sorry, here I should write 5, but I have written y here. So what I do here, okay, equal to, then I will write 5, right? So here value of x is not greater than y. This is sure. So what else? Value of x is equal to 5. This is a condition. If any of these two is satisfied, then what is the condition? X is either equal to or greater than y. What it will print? X is either equal to or greater than y. Else not true. It will say no, it is not true. Okay, so this is the condition. So now I will take you, I will discuss few more operators after doing some experiment. Okay, so I move, go back, and I will open my Tinkercad. I think I have already opened this one. So I will start from my first operator, that is equal to operator. I will tinker this. So it is opening. Okay, so I will open the code here. Code is open. I know it is not visible for you, so I will enhance, zoom it. So here you can see the same program. My condition, my values are 5 and 5. My value of x is 5, y is 5, and I will not take any time, and first of all I will just simulate this button, simulate this program, and I will open my serial monitor. I will see numbers are equal. What we get? Numbers are equal. Now I will drop this one. So you can see here, value of x is 5, value of y is 5, so that's why it is printing numbers are equal. So what I do here, I change one of my variable. Suppose I change here, instead of 5 I take 6. Okay, so then I will compile it. I will see what happened. Open serial monitor. So sorry, this looks very clumsy, so that's my mistake. So what I need to do, anyone can help me out in this? Okay, I will help myself. ln, I will print here, put here ln, so it will give me the very clear understanding. I will clear this stuff and then stop and then run. Yeah, okay, numbers are not equal. So what, I will stop it, then I will again run it. So again, what is the importance of ln? So always print in new line, right? So you can see my value is x is equal to 6, y is equal to 5, both are not equal. So that's why numbers are, it is giving me the output, numbers are not equal, right? This is your output. Now I'll stop the simulation, go back, and we'll do another program, right? Zoom out. Okay, so what was the next operator? Not equal to operator we have studied. Not equal to operator. So tinker this. Okay, and I will open my code here. So it is my code. What it is telling me here, I have taken same way, but I have taken x is equal to 6, y is equal to 5. Only one thing I have taken, not equal to operator I have applied here, and I'm telling if my data are not equal to, then print numbers are not equal. So again I have small correction I will do here. I have taken print, so what I have to do, I have to print here ln. So every time I will run, so it will print data in next line, right? Okay, if condition is false, then it will print numbers are equal. So what I have taken right now, I have taken two numbers that are not equal. So I will run it. I will open my serial monitor. I will run and simulate. I will see what happened. So numbers are not equal. Okay, first condition is satisfied, numbers are not equal. Okay, so I will stop this one and down. Now I will do some change here. I will take 5. So both numbers are equal now. So this means this condition should get failed here. So it will print on the else condition. Now it will come on else condition, right? This condition will get failed because my both variables values are same. Okay, equal. So I will run it. First of all, I delete all the things mesh I have done. Can you see here what we got now? Numbers are equal, right? So this way you can apply not equal to and equal to operator. We are moving for another, some other um, operators just we have learned. So now we have learned about, yeah, we do it less than equal to. Next operator is less than equal to operator. So zoom it. Okay, yeah, here again I have taken, as we discussed in our concept discussion, so x and y both are same, and here condition is checking by if my statement, if statement is checking whether there are two statements. It is checking, what is checking, x is less than y or x is equal to y. Okay, x is less than y or x is equal to y. So if this condition get fails, then it will print not true. If this condition satisfy, then numbers are either equal or less than. Okay, so this will print. So I will run this program. I know you have, by the time you have got your answer. Okay, I will open. So you can see numbers are either equal or less than. So my number is basically equal to. So what I will do now, I will stop this one and I will change this value, x value less than y. Okay, my x value is 4 now and y value is 5. So as per my concept, value of x is less than y. So it should print not true. Okay, we'll see what it will print, less than or equal to. Okay, you make your guess. By the time I will run the simulation, sorry, it's again my mistake here. I have not used ln here, so that's why it looks clumsy. I will add ln. Okay, now I will start simulation, open monitor. First I have to clear the screen now, then I will run it. Not running, yeah. So again, yeah, condition is again true because my value of, because my operator is like that, if value of x is less than or equal to, so both conditions are satisfied here, value of x is less than. So now what I do here, I, instead of this I take, okay, sorry, I just forgot to stop simulation, then I will 6, I will put 6. Okay, now let's see what happened. Not true. Can you see here? This printing not true. So value of x is not less than y and not equal to y. So condition is fail. This condition is not failed. So that's why it's moved to else condition and it's become true here, right? Sorry. Okay, we'll come back, no problem. We have done our task here. So I'll tinker this and we will move to another program, right? So my another program we are going to discuss is greater than equal to operator. Yeah, it is getting open. So code here, I will zoom it for you so that you can see this program properly. Yeah. So here again I have taken the two variables x and y. X and y both are equal. My condition is, we are checking here for two condition, whether x is greater than y or x is equal to y, any one of it. Okay, so if this condition satisfied, then x is either equal or greater than y. If not, it should print true. So you can guess that both values are equal, so it should print this one. Okay, so you can guess it very easily, but even though as per my job, I will do simulation for you so that any doubt should not left in your mind, right? You should not go with any doubt, right? So I'll clear it. I'll stop my simulation, and now I will make this condition false. How you can make false? If you make y is greater than x. Okay, if you make y as a 6, okay, so now if you run it, you will see what happened. Yeah, it is telling me it is not true. Condition is not true, not satisfied. So it is telling me because we have mentioned not true, right? So this is the concept of greater than. So these four concepts so far we have learned, and now we will move to further concepts, some other concepts in the same operators. Okay, so by the time I will come back and keep my things ready for you. Okay, so up to here we have done it. Now we'll move to the next concept. Okay, next concept is very easy, and it has only one operator, greater than. Okay, so you can say x or y. X only check whether the value of x is greater than y. It is not asking for no equal to condition. Okay, so you can understand the same data types are being used here, so no need to stress again and again, but even I will, so that you can this thing should be get in your mind. Okay, now I will see the program. Right here, what I have taken, I have taken x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. There's two variables. My what is the condition I am checking here? X is greater than y. So my x value is 6 and my y value is 5 here. So yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, what it should print? It should print this command, this instruction, x is greater than. I think it's my mistake, it's either, so it should not, I can remove it in my when we simulate this one, x is greater than y. Okay, if this condition is false, then it will print not true condition. Okay, now I will move for the next operator. My next operator is less than. Okay, x and y, two variables. It will check whether the value of x is less than y. If not, condition will be fail. So same thing here, same operator. So I am not more take more stress on this thing. I will go to the program directly. So in this program, you can see here what's my condition. X is y, so value of x is 5 and value of y is 6. Yes, x is less than y. Okay, 5 is less than 6. So it will print x is less than y. If this condition is reverse or fails, then it will print not true. Okay, so very simple programs today we are doing here. Now, okay, so here Boolean operators. Now we understand what is the Boolean operator. So there are three operators basically: logical not operator, uh, Boolean logical and operator, and logical or. So what is the meaning of logical not? Okay, logical not means when we say no, we say no. Okay, suppose I have this pen, but I say no, I don't have. So that is a kind of logical not operation. Okay, you will see that I have made two program, but first one is little clumsy, but even though I have considered this program in for explaining you. Okay, so here what is the condition, they are asking, right? Suppose this this symbol they are using, this is a not. This symbol is equivalent to not, logical not. Okay, not. If I say, suppose here I am explaining, I take this space. So suppose I am explaining like that, my value of a is 5. Forget about this program. Value of b is 5, and I am comparing whether a is equal to b. Okay, you are saying in this condition, yes. What we are saying, yes, a is 5, b is also 5. But what I do here, I put logical not. Even though they are true, but it will tell us no, they are not equal. Reverse. Okay. Even though they are true, but it will give you the reverse answer. So that is the meaning of this logical and. Okay. Suppose sometime many of friends are start coming to meet you, and one day your mother got frustrated. Every day these friends come. So then what they will say? Even though you are at home, he will say, no, he is went somewhere. So that at least you will stay calm in your home. Okay. So like that, even you are present, but information will go like that you are not present. The same situation is here. So now I will move to the next program. This is a logical AND operation. Logical AND operation, I think we have discussed so many in a previous few examples. I have discussed about the logical AND operation. So here again I will tell AND. I need both conditions should be satisfied. So here what I have taken here, my variable a is equal to 9, variable b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 6. These three variables I have taken. But what I am expecting, I want a greater than b. This also satisfy, and this satisfy, this must satisfy, and b less than c also satisfy. Okay, so it is like that. I will go with my father, and I will also go with my mother. So both conditions should satisfy at the same time. Okay, so like that. And if the condition satisfy, it will print true. If the condition is not satisfy, it will print false, right? So what is that? Both condition must satisfy. I will go for example, like I take example of my son. He most of the time he give a diplomatic answer, right? So I generally ask him, with whom you would like to go to the market? He will say, I will go with my daddy, and I will also go with my mother. Means both, he want both. Okay, okay, the same condition is here. Now I will move further. So this is a logical OR operation. Okay, so we don't have a choice both, we have only one choice, one. Either I will come with you, or other person will come with you. Just like either father will come with you or mother will come with you, but not both can come with you. Only one can come with you. So that is a logical OR condition. So here I have what I have taken. So here again my values are a is equal to 9, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 6. What I have taken here, my a is greater than b. Yes. So a is 9 here, b is 4 here. So this condition is satisfied. Then or second condition they are checking, c is less than b, but value of c is 6, value of b is 4. No, this condition is not satisfied. But one condition is satisfied. One condition is satisfied, but not both. So in that case, only one condition is satisfied. So that's why it will print true. And if both condition is not satisfied, then it will print false. Right? So this is a concept of logical OR. So now we'll go back to our Tinkercad platform, and we'll do some tinkering here. So yeah, so what we have left here, okay, less than, we have done greater than, less than operator. So okay, so greater than operator, we have to start with the greater than operator. So I will open my code here. Here you can see very easily. So x is greater than 6. So this condition is going to be x is greater than y. X is 6, y is 5. So this condition is going to be true and x is greater than 5, right? Else it will not true. So simple way, when we have a no need to apply the brain first, so directly do simulation and we will see what is printing. Yes, x is greater than y. Okay, and I will do small modifications in my program and I will make both equal, right? What I am going to do, I am making both equal, and again simulate here. Same program, it is not true because it is asking about only greater than. But even though my values are equal, it is printing no, it is not true. Okay, so that is the for less greater than. Now we move to another program, that is my less than program. Okay, so less than, less than, less than, less than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, this is a less than equal to program. Tinker this. If you share your email IDs, you can tinker this very easily, and you can check in your Tinkercad account itself. Okay, so that will be more easy for you, but is your choice. You can give me, share your email IDs with my team, so we will send you. Okay, so here it is a less than. So y, x is here 5 and y is 6. So x is less than 6, right? X is less than 6. So this condition is true. When this condition is true, then it will print x is less than y. If it is not, then it will print not true. So simple, without applying more brain on it, we will do simulate and then check. Okay, so x is less than 5. Yes, x is less than 5. It is printing x is less than 5, right? So what I will do here, I will stop simulation and then I will do some small modification here. 6, instead of 6 I will take 5 and I will simulate again and see what happened. Clear the screen now. Now simulate, we'll see what happened. It is not true. Okay, why not true? Because we are checking only for the less than condition, not for equal to, not for greater than, right? So only it is checking, this operator will check only for the less than condition. Okay, so I hope you got your answers here. We'll move back to our other operators. When I move back, we get some break kind of thing. Okay, so you will be relaxed. I am not continuously not speaking, you are taking a small break here. So okay, logical not, I will see here first. I will see why I have taken this one, and next program also I will show you. Okay, So here you can see I have taken three variables. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 5, and I have taken another integer type of variable, that is C. What I am checking, not equal to, logical not equal, as a logical not basically. So A is equal to 5. Yes, A is equal to 5, but what I want, reverse the operation. If both are equal, then reverse the operation. Means you both are present, but you are saying they are not present. Okay, so what in this case it should print false. So what is the meaning of false? You will understand very soon here. 0. Okay, 0 means false, right? Yesterday we have done this one. 0 means false. Now what I do, if I make any one of the variable as a 6 and again simulate, then I will see, sorry, I will clear this one first and then stop and run. For you will see 1. So condition is that A and B, here A and B, A is 6 and condition is B is 5. So both are not equal. Both are not equal. So you can see here, not equal. I'm writing like this. And this operator is also there. That is also not. Okay. So what will happen? Not, you can cancel out. You can consider it minus, minus, equal. What will happen? It will become plus, true. Okay. This works like that. Okay, I hope you have understand this one. So I will delete all the mesh I have done on the screen. Now I will go back on my another program. My another program is again on logical not operation. So it will be bit simpler. That's why I have considered taken this program to explain you. Okay. So what is the case here? My value of A is 5. A is 5. B is also 5. Both are equal. Okay. Both are equal. Yes, both are equal. So what you can say? Yes, equal. Okay. But this symbol, logical not symbol, is telling not. So what? How you can write? You can write minus. Then you can say equal. That's why you can say plus. So plus minus, what you will get? You will get minus. Means even though you are positive, but minus is making you negative. Okay, so you can say negative. So it should print false. I will simulate it simply. I will check whether I am right or wrong. I will simulate it better. Yes, false. Yes, what I got? Negative answer. Negative answer means false. Because why false it is printing? Because I have taken here, I am asking them if condition is reverse, then if both are equal, then reverse the condition. False. Okay. So I hope that you might have understand this program. If you have a doubt, you can ask me through your chat box, or you can mail to our team. So we will reach to you. Okay, so now other two operators are there. We'll do that. So logical AND operator, right? So logical AND operator. So here it is a condition. Same program I have taken here. My condition is what? A is 5, A is 9, B is 4, and this is the and, English and, okay. B is my B is 4 is less than C, okay. So both are true, both must true, both must true. If both are true, then it will print true, otherwise it will print false, right? So here A is greater than B and B is less than C. So both conditions are satisfied. So it should print true. So what I will do, simply I run it. I will see, yeah. Can you see here? It is printing true. Okay. So now first I delete all mesh and I stop the simulation. Sorry. I'll stop simulation, and what I do here, I will make CE3, okay, and then I'll simulate and see what output I get. First I'll clear this one. Yeah, false, okay, because one condition is, this condition is B is not less than C. So because B is 4 and C is 3, so B is greater than C, this condition is false. That's why it is printing false. Okay, that's why it is printing false, right? So I will delete this one, stop my simulation, and okay, my last program of today's session. This is my logical OR operation. Got it? So here, this operator, right? This operator means OR. This is equivalent to OR. Okay? And now I write the condition. A is greater than B, or any one of it, or C is less than B. So I will write, my values are here 9, B is 4. Yes, this is true. I will check another condition also, or C is 6 is less than B. So this condition is false, right? This condition is false. So what it should print? It should print true, because we have asked any one of these two should be true. So I will run this program, and see, can you see here what is printed? As I told you, this is true, this is false. Any one means true. Any one is true, then it will print true. If both are false, then it will print false. So first of all, I will delete this one, stop assimilation, and I will make A3, okay, and I will simulate, and you will see here. I will clear it first, stop and simulate. This is false, right? Why it is false? Why it is false? Because as per this condition, A is greater than B, or C is less than B, right? This is the condition, these two conditions, either one of it should be true. So my value of A is here 3, and symbol is like it is 4, or so here C is 6 and B is 4. Can you see this value is greater than 4? No, false. This value is again also false. So what happened? Output else condition, it will print false because we have given a statement false. Okay, so this is the concepts we have learned, the operator of Arduino programming. So first of all I will stop this thing. Okay, I will go back here. Okay, it is not coming, so just wait a minute. I'll zoom it out, then I'll see here. So I will log it out from my profile here. Okay, so guys, this is the end of today's session. I expecting that you have learned about the operators of Arduino programming, and this is very important. This kind of operator, whenever you have to design any logic, right? You, for example, you want to get the data from the sensor, and you want to make a cutoff. For example, I take a small example of your air conditioner at your home, and you have set the temperature. When my temperature, uh, room temperature goes above like 28 degree or 30 degree, then please switch on my AC. So this kind of condition, how you can do this condition without the help of this operator, you cannot write this condition. Okay, so similarly you can multiple combinations you can create and apply. Okay, for example, you want to take two variables. Suppose you have taken a temperature, you have taken a humidity. So in both levels, if humidity is very high, then also we get irritated because we sweat a lot. And even temperature is low, but humidity, because of the high humidity, uh, we feel sweat a lot. So in that time also you can say please on my switch on my AC. Similarly, if the humidity level is low or average, but temperature is very high, so even though in that time you also sweat, again you sweat, so you can say that please switch on my AC. So such kind of combinations, logical combinations is possible with the help of this kind of operators. So I hope that you might have enjoyed today's session also. Please join us, like us. Your motivation is a key of our success. So please join us, like us, and if you have any doubt, any query, please use your chat box, or you can directly interact with our team. I think all details you have available, so you can directly contact and they will approach you and they will connect me with you, so that any query you have, you will solve it, right? So with this, bye bye guys.